Have you ever heard a car misfire? It's an unmistakable sound. Imagine rhythmic popping, puffing, or sputtering noises escaping your exhaust or engine compartment. And that auditory chaos is a strong clue your engine isn't having its best day. And misfires often manifest as sudden changes in the sound coming from your engine. You might experience a chugging sensation, as if one of the cylinders in your engine decided it needs a nap. Ever ask yourself why it sounds like a popcorn machine? The snapping or popping sound could be a sign of unburned fuel igniting in the exhaust system. That's like throwing a party your exhaust wasn't invited to. It's important to address it fast, as it can damage other components. You might think, isn't that just a part of the car soundtrack? And sadly, it's not that kind of performance. But misfires can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions, and that's got to sting your wallet sooner or later. To dig out the root cause, you might need a diagnostic scan tool. This isn't for everyone, but it can read trouble codes from your car's computer. Each code is a clue in this automotive mystery, like a low-budget Sherlock Holmes. A common culprit is often worn spark plugs. Those small parts have one job: ignite the air-fuel mixture. Worn plugs can lead to incomplete combustion, causing that funky noise. Replacing them could change your car's tune. A clogged fuel injector could also be to blame. When it doesn't deliver the right amount of fuel, the harmony of engine operation is upset. And it makes your engine sound more like a struggling musician than a well-rehearsed band. Then there's the ignition coil, another frequent offender. If it's malfunctioning, your car might feel like a roller coaster of performance dips. That's a ride no one signed up for during their regular commute. And you might be wondering if there's a universal fix. The truth is, quicker you address a warning sign, fewer the variables to mess with. Diagnosing early could save you from a mechanic bill that rivals rent in Portland. And then try to know all those engines. That ever-glowing beacon on your dashboard is like a back signal telling you to act. Scoffing it off could mean driving your car towards its mechanical fate. Misfire can make the whole ride feel jerky. It's not just bad for the car. It feels like you're riding a mechanical bull instead of a smooth road cruiser. It's not too pleasant when heading to a coffee shop for some genuine Portland latte. At the end of the road, understanding what a misfire sounds like gives you a leg up in maintaining your ride. It's a chorus you'd rather not be playing in the key of engine woes. So stay alert, stay proactive. Scott,